Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it.
So what's up, y'all? It is 8:14 in the morning, and we're up because
track meet day.
It's a Sati has a cross country track meet today. We was up since 6 a.m. and I made him breakfast. We got a good breakfast with some fruit. And now we're here at this school. Finna go in. Don't drink that water till you after you done. I said don't drink that water till after you done running. Oh, hurry! You better wanna hurry up and walk, cause y'all run. I think the girls run and then you guys run.
5 a.m. It's good for the
Okay.
He doing what I told him to do.
What?
Hold his head up.
Go, Asante! Woo!
There you go.
Push it, push it! Good job! Woo!
Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job to you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is bent.
Okay, so y'all got the costume. As you can see, guess what he's gonna be? Spider-Man. Come on, Hassan, finish strong, finish strong.
Let's go, Maddie! Let's go! Let's go, Maddie!
The next day.
I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share. They call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's same thing. Cause I wanted to pound you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking good. You say my name, you like to cap the state. Baby, you wanna say my name, say my name.
Y'all, so look at the beautiful Christmas tree. I have to get decorations.
Oh, Christmas tree!
What the fuck? I have to get decorations, so the lights had already came with the tree. It's a 6.5 feet tree. Gotta fluff it out. And look how tall it is.
Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. And there's someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more. Crush that side no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. And no one is around you. Say baby I love you. But you ain't rocking girl. Say my name. Say my name.
So y'all, we here in the sauna. We just did our workout. If you hear me, I did a few, more leg workouts upstairs with the weights, and I did a few arm workouts. I didn't vlog it because it was too much people around, and I don't like people staring. But we in the sauna, as you can see, and we're gonna sit in here for about 20 to 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Huh? So we're back. I had originally wrapped myself with some sweet sweat and some castor oil. That's why that's in there. Mind y'all, we went to Publix, got something to eat. So I've been sitting for a while, so it's probably not that sweaty. And my back, it was sweat all down there, but it dried up. No. Hold on. Oh, it is sweaty still. Oh, see that sweat? Stop. Yes. 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 gonna make me my protein and greens in the blender. Anyways, it's how we're looking, y'all. I should have put some fruit in there to make a smoothie, but I just didn't feel like doing all that.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only.
So hey y'all, we back home and I'm making fish stew. I don't know why I didn't film when I was making it. So basically what I did was I fried some snapper and I seasoned it while it was frying. I used this blender. I added peppers, onions, what else? Peppers, onions, bell peppers, red peppers, and what else? Habanero, water, oil, and I added some peanut butter and some seasoning. I added some tomato paste. I put it in here, blended it, put it in here, and now I'm just letting it boil until it simmers down. Yep, she's folding clothes and we drinking our kombucha. Passion fruit? Yep. You told me the apple one was. No, I like passion. You like whatever I like.
I was just playing. I like anyone. I really like the there's another one.
Them is the only ones I be seeing.
It's like red apples.
That is apple. Alright y'all, I'll be back when we done with everything. Okay, so y'all, this is how it's looking. The stew is looking real good, and the fish all coming together. And then the habaneros, and then the rice. I mixed it with cauliflower rice, so it won't be too much starch. I ordered some what is it called? Preparation meal prep containers, and they had a good deal going on. They had 20 of these. Well, this pack of 20 for $7.29 on eBay, but it's brand new because they sell brand new stuff on eBay too. If y'all didn't know.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. Said they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty.
Yeah. He right there. Right there.
Oh, it's good. He's staying back. I knew he was gonna be first. She organized the seasons.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you that.
What's up, y'all? P.S. We moved. I ain't telling y'all why. I ain't telling y'all where. We in a new location. This is the living room. This the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Ooh. Ooh, sorry. It didn't break. Oil and then that in. We got a calendar and I got the kitty cat. Then we got him a calendar, some stuff to draw. I'm having a Dollar Tree home. Then this is supposed to stay in the car. But that, got time for some chapstick. We got some dish soap. And we got some toothbrushes. Then cleaning. We use these wipes a lot. So we got some glass cleaner. And some little maintenance for now. When I'm cooking.
These bread packages brothers.
Then we got some forks and spoons because for some reason the forks and spoons always disappearing. Got this for head, the Santi supply. Oh. We got me some hangers, so come with me to put his fingers in his room. So,
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen some.
alright y'all, I'll be back whenever we come back to the vlog. So what's up y'all, I'm back and I'm looking ratchet. I need to wash my face. But I'm gonna organize my makeup bag. This makeup bag that I've had for a while now. And it's time to organize it.
You're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Big makeup bags because it just takes up too much space. So I purchased me a small little black cute makeup bag and it fits all my products perfectly.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say
So what's up, guys? It's the next day from the previous. Actually, I ended the vlog off making breakfast, and I ain't filmed that whole day, and it's the next day. So today I'm gonna start a new vlog, so I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, show your support. Follow me on Instagram at KAZAMIRAA. And thanks for watching.